Ellie, do we need to send you to a soup kitchen?
But I got soup here!
Is cold tomato sauce soup, Ellie?
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of soup. You could call it soup. Who's gonna stop you?
I would probably stop you. In fact, I do
what would
stop
you call
you.
it?
I'd probably just call it cold tomato sauce Go-Gurt.
Go-Gurt?
That.
Well, I wasn't squeezing it out of a tube.
Ah, but what if you were?
What if I was squeezing it out of a tube? I'm glad that you're here to ask the deep hypotheticals. What'd you have for breakfast, huh?
I had cake. It was delicious.
See, there's no protein in that either. Chat, how come you're getting on my case and not hers, huh? We're both growing girls.
Hee 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 hee. Get her, chat, hee hee hee.
Wait, hey! Jesus Christ, you're choosing violence.
I've always chosen violence.
That's not true. I've seen you make very, very thoughtful, you know, gentle decisions.
Name one time where I didn't go for the violent option.
Well, you didn't shock me before. Yeah, the chat was telling you to shock me, and you were like, no, that's a pretty good score. I'm not gonna shock her, you know?
Yeah, when you're right, you're right. I guess there's just something about you that's so... shockable. Maybe it's because I sense the hum in your circuits, Ellie. The humming is loud.
Probably why. The humming